FANUC's Open House event is happening on Monday the 1st of November, so it's a couple of days away. Now, Brooke, what is the reason to come along to this event?
Yeah, so we're getting everyone from the industry together to talk about automation, what they can bring and the future of automation altogether. That's the whole feel of the event. So what we're going to have is panel discussions, speakers, exhibitors. Basically, if you want to learn about automation, this is the event to be at.
Fantastic. I'm very excited. I'm really excited because I'm going to be here as well. I'm going to be comparing on one of the stages. So we're about to show you some of the hardware and Rowan's going to quiz Paul on just a taster of behind the scenes, basically everyone manically setting up. But what is it people are going to learn? Because they come here and see the hardware, that's great, but there's going to be some big names here too.
Yeah, so we've got 3 key days for the keynote speakers and the panel discussion. So the first day is all about automation, the second day is all about education, and the third day is all about IoT and digitisation. So we've got people like Mazak, MTC, our Managing Director Tom Boucher will be doing an interview as well. So there's a lot going on.
There's a lot going on, and there's a lot going on in this room as well. So I'm going to take you on a little teaser. Thank you so much, Brooke. Right, you can see a lot of the robots are working behind us. There's even a washing machine in the corner as well, which is a bit bonkers, but we'll find out why there's a washing machine here. Rowan, Paul, take us on a tour.
So shall we start with the i10 here? We've been talking about a robot with a drill on the end of it, which is quite cool, but we'll start at the i10, which is, now I call this a robot, quite crudely, a robot in a box. Is that about right?
It's pretty much a robot in a box. So this was designed in collaboration with Mechatronic and Robopod, who've made the outside of the cell. And it basically has got a tray system that allows for an amount of unmanned machining hours depending on how many parts you put in there.
You don't want to give too much away though, do you, Paul?
No, we don't want to give too much away. You'll have to come and talk to someone about it if you want more information.
Okay, and next up, so we've got a welding area, shall we say, or pod. So what's happening here?
So this is just a low-cost welding cell that you can load parts on the outside while the robot's welding on the inside, and then it would turn around and swap the parts over, carry on going.
So we've got 2 different kinds of welding. We've got welding down in the other bay, which is like collaborative welding. We've got more low-cost automated welding in general here. We've also got, so let's keep going, but we've got a robot with a drill on the end of it, which is all about stiffness and
an accurate robot, yes.
Accurate
drilling.
Automated
yes,
drilling.
Yeah.
Shall we keep going though? We don't want to show too much,
Can I just ask why there is a washing machine in here?
It's measuring. So it's a metrology system on the end and it's measuring the gap flush of the washing machine.
So who is likely to come to an event, or who would you encourage to come to an event like this, Paul?
Whirlpool.
Whirlpool, brilliant.
Yeah, anyone that is interested in automating anything they have in their factory.
Okay. Do you think people are behind on automation?
I do think people are behind on their automation, yes.
So by coming to an event like this can really show off, you know, how you can integrate your systems within a machine shop, within a business.
It'll give people a lot of different ideas on what they could do to automate the processes within their factory, no matter how large or small it is.
Right, pasta.
Speaking of automating everything, we've seen colour blocks, we've seen bits of Lego. Now we've got your favourite food, right, Lindsay?
Pasta. And
pasta.
So Gio likes a bit of pasta too.
Is this some fusilli right here, Paul?
Pardon?
What kind of pasta
some
is this?
Fusilli.
Oh, I don't know what type of pasta it is actually.
Oh, I don't know either.
We got funny looks when we bought it all, I know that.
So it's a pick and place robot. So again, who's after these?
So this would be in the sort of food industry. So the DR3 robot is specifically aimed at the food industry. And again, if you want more information about the ins and outs of that, you can come to the show.
So this actually goes a lot quicker than what we're seeing right now.
It does go a lot quicker than what we're seeing right now.
I've seen this at full speed and it is incredible.
Yes, it is.
And what have we got on here? We've got a floor sensor here, so I can walk in here and the robot will stop. Yes. We've got more automation.
Yeah, so this is a sort of, it's a collaborative cell, but not with a collaborative robot. So you can run without guarding, but when you get closer to the robot, it would stop.
And the floor sensor down here is what
controls that, yes.
Am I right? I'm sure I've seen one of these at Rotec, and you can move it from machine to machine as well.
Some of them you can move machine to machine. Yeah.
Okay, so this is just a teaser trailer, right? You have not even seen the tip of what this event is going to be all about. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we've got some speakers here. We've got all the hardware. What are you looking forward to?
Food. Definitely the food.
I'm looking forward to the food as well, definitely.
Me too, but there's going to be a lot to learn, lots of education, lots of big names here, and lots to see. Can't wait to see you next week, Monday to Friday, the 1st to the 5th of November.